As a plant lover, we all want our plants and trees to be bushy, nicely grown, with its huge canopy-like structure. We all dream of that, isn't it? And so for that, what do? We do the pruning of the trees or our plants. Pruning helps in getting the plant that desired shape or structure. But we all know that pruning is time consuming. It has to be done over and over again for the plants. So many of us, what do? They have a shortcut. Now, what is that shortcut? We all know that pruning is healthy, but some of us practice tree topping. Now, what is tree topping? Tree topping means cutting the branches or the uh, branches from the trees so that only the bare trunk remains. Now, you might be thinking, so what's wrong in this? Tree topping might be less time consuming, saves the time and efforts and energy, blah blah blah. But no, it is very hazardous for our trees. How? I'll tell you. Do you know that this tree topping does more harm than good for your trees? So I, Pallavi Divekar, welcome you all to the season 5 of the Plants Education series, episode 6, Say No to Tree Topping. Let's go into the details.
This is Swati Gamande with Pallavi Divekar. So result to avoid it. Firstly, there is a starvation and stress into the trees. Topping result in the removal of the leaves needs in photosynthesis. Ultimately, this results into the weakened health and stress into the trees. Then secondly, pest and disease. The wounds in large trees are taking time to heal, or where they are slow to heal. Ultimately, they invite the disease and pest. Third one is the regrowth, faster weaken regrowth. So due to the topping results into the trees, the faster but weaken regrowth of the shoots, which require the regular pruning. Then destruction of natural shape. Topping results into the destruction of the canopy, the natural canopy of trees, that is their shape.
So, what is the difference between tree pruning and tree topping? In tree topping, we practically reduce the branches to just a stub. That is, only the main trunk of the tree remains. While in pruning, we remove the malformed branches, we remove the water sprouts emerging from the stems, we even remove the diseased or damaged branches, we even remove the branches that are required for the clearance from the ground. We also remove the branches growing from the same spot, or the branches that go on rubbing each other, creating the hindrance to the growth of the tree.
Risk and liability. Top trees become structurally unsound and pose safety risk. Instead of topping, opt for crown reduction pruning to safely shorten branches while maintaining the tree health.
So now you know that tree topping is bad for your plants. It is harmful practice. So say no to tree topping and also stop encouraging it. Tree pruning is healthy. Practice tree pruning. I hope this video was helpful and it added to your knowledge. Do let me know in the comments that how you feel about this video. Thanks for watching.